Hey, Joyriders. Welcome back to my channel. Peanut, what's your problem? Move. Alright, so guys, Peanut, go inside. I told you, Brian is sleeping. So is Doug. You're making too much noise. He gets so excited when I'm talking to you guys. So, I'm getting ready for work. And, I didn't have no coffee this morning. I'm gonna have some at work. So, last night, I came home from work and my package was, I have received. And I didn't open it, but what I did do this morning, I just took the knife and opened it up because I didn't want to fight with it. But I didn't look inside yet. Look, guys. So, this is how it comes. Look at that. Can y'all see it? What does that say? It says, thank you for supporting my business. That's what it says. So see, this is the box from Jewel Heart Naturals. Look. See, I told y'all I opened it, but I didn't open it. So everything is still packed in there. So we're going to open this up together. I'm so excited. So look, I got a sticker. My sticker. And then I got a thank you card. So it says thank you for supporting with us. Oh, for shopping with us. We hope you enjoy it as much as we enjoyed creating it for you. Enjoy a 10% discount on your next order with us. Use the code CMOS10. Please leave a review if you enjoy your purchase at the website. Connect with us and don't forget to tag us. My healthy heart. Oh, isn't that cute, guys? Look at this. So I told y'all. I'm gonna sit down. I'm excited. So I told y'all I've been struggling. Like, Peanut, go inside. Stop it now. Let's get into it, okay? I'm not gonna talk y'all to death because I'm getting ready to go to work. And today, as you can see, it's a nasty, ugly day. It look like it's gonna rain today. So, look, I got a free gift. This is a piece of soap, guys. So, this is a cucumber melon soap. So it's a little thin piece, but it's a free gift. So she gives you stuff to try different things on her product now. So I'm excited to try this. I can't smell because my nose not working good, so I can't tell y'all what it smells like. But I ordered this. This is also a piece of soap. Look how cute it is. I'm gonna tell you all about this soap. Look at this. See, it's a rose. Look how cute it is. Okay, let me pull y'all over a little bit closer because I'm doing a lot of reaching. Guys, my dishes are clean, so don't talk about me, all right? I just left them out here because there's more room out here, all right? So don't talk about me, all right? And if you do, who cares? Now, I'm still Joy. Peanut, go inside. You can't go inside right now. Go inside. I'm going to get that water bottle. Stop the noise. So this soap right here is to wash my face. It is turmeric and sea moss. So if you guys see, like, I got light splotches on my face. I don't know why, but I just come like that. So I'm hoping this will help to, I don't know, clean my face. Y'all know what this is? Y'all know what this is? Y'all know what this is, don't you? You know what this is, don't you? You know what this is, don't you? I was running out. I was running out. Oh, this smells so good. Y'all don't even know. Y'all don't even know. I ran out. I got a lot of stuff in here. I need a bag to put these papers because they're going to fly away. They're going to fly away. Ooh, 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 ooh. What's this? What's this, girl? What you got, girl? See, y'all be playing. Y'all don't want to order y'all stuff. Y'all don't want to order y'all stuff. I'm telling y'all be playing. Now, this is the one with the magnesium in it. For my knees. For my knees. Alright, y'all be playing around. Uh-oh, what's this? Now, I forgot. Oh, she gave me a little extra. Look at that. That's a little extra. I didn't order this one. But thank you. Thank you, girl. See? Y'all be playing around. Y'all be playing around. See, y'all could keep on playing while I keep on getting my stuff and keeping my body healthy, my skin nice and soft and luxurious, girl, because my skin be looking so good. I put this on, I'm telling y'all, I got the driest skin in the world till I put this on. And now I be using the soap too. Double, trouble. Oh, look at this. Oh, I forgot. It's the magnesium spray. See? Told y'all. I be ordering stuff. That's all I got. But I got a lot. This is the magnesium spray. I'm going to spray this on me today before I go to work. But go inside. I'm not going to tell you again. I'm not going to tell you again. So guys, I've been, let me show y'all. See? Can y'all see it? Magnesium spray. So, I'm going to spray this on my knees before I go to work today. But anyway, I got a whole bunch of stuff. I got a whole bunch of stuff, y'all. And I ain't even pay a whole lot of money for it. You know why? Because I use my Blissful Ventures 10% discount. Y'all playing. Y'all better go on in and y'all better get y'all stuff. So let me show y'all. I'm gonna show y'all with this this the magnesium. So look, this is how it comes. Now see, I always let it melt because I'm in a van and it gets hot and my stuff melt. But this is what it looks like when you get it, okay? It's nice and creamy. And I'm gonna put it on my face. So we're gonna go with the mango papaya. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't it pretty? So take a little bit. You don't need a lot. And this is probably too much. Matter of fact, I know it's too much, but that's all right. So see, this is what it look like on my finger. Look at that. See? Look at that. Y'all see how dry I be on here? Look back on some of my videos. Your girl be dry as ever. That's because I ain't lotion up. Because I didn't grease up. Look at the difference. Now your girl ain't dry no more. I'm telling y'all. Put it on your face. Let me put it all over your body. Look at my hands. You see that? Look how shiny. Y'all play too much. Y'all play too much. Y'all better go get y'all stuff. Y'all better go get y'all stuff. I didn't call you. No, I didn't call you. Oh, there's water leaking because it rained last night. So it's going to rain again today, I know. So I got to get going to work before the rain comes. But I wanted to come on here real quick and show y'all what I got. Yep. So the magnesium, she says when you spray it on your body, if it burns, then that means that you are deficient in magnesium. And she said most people are deficient. So let's see. Well, I did just put this body butter on as a barrier too, so I don't know. I can't get to my knees though. Oh yes, I can. Y'all don't even understand. And I'm ashy right now because I didn't lotion up. Because I just opened up my stuff. I told you I ran out. In my ashy legs. Put that spray on my knees. Then I'm going to rub some body butter on you. Y'all can't see what I'm doing. And I can't lift my knee up that high to show you. But I'm going to do the other knee too. Lotioning up my ashy legs. So listen though, for real y'all. I got on some jeans. Yeah, I know I've been walking to work every day. Walking to work. Walking all day at work. Look at that. And I can't smell. But anyway, I went to the shower one day a couple weeks ago, and I had these pair of jeans in my van, and I meant to get rid of them because I couldn't fit them. They were too small. But so what was I saying? Damn, I'm getting old. Anyway, I brought the jeans to the shower. That's what it was. By accident. I didn't mean to. I brought them by accident. And I was trying to put them on and the freaking jeans wouldn't pull up. I couldn't pull them up. So I'm like, damn, how am I going to get back to my van? Because I was in the bathroom. So I had to wrap the towel around my waist with the jeans to my hips, okay? And walk back to my van so I could change my pants. Y'all not gonna believe what I got on today. This was just 2 weeks ago. And it's funny because I was on the phone with my sister. I was like, girl, I brought the wrong jeans to the bathroom. I called her this morning and showed her. I need some scissors so I can cut that plastic up. But I called her this morning and showed her I had these jeans on. She was like, them jeans you had, girl. I showed her how I walked from the that's my sister, y'all. I showed her how I walked from the shower to my van. She was laughing at me. When I showed her these jeans this morning, she was like, girl. So look, that's why I keep pulling them up because they slide down, but I got them on. See, I got my jeans on and I couldn't fit them, but I got them on. Well, guys, it's time for me to go to work. But look, I got to put my stuff away before I go. So, you know what I'm going to tell you? Have more faith than fear. And until my next video, many, 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 many blessings.